Welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat. So today the MG is in service, and that's why I thought of doing tips and tricks number 24, and it's about the fob or the key. And as recommended, I usually would say that the battery has to be changed once a year. You can have you can wait a little bit if you want to, but I do recommend to change it once a year. I'll put a picture of the side 126 in the handbook so that you can see how to do it, but usually it's quite good to do it once you're in service. So I'll show you the picture and we talk a little bit more about it afterwards. Well, the battery change on the key, which are CR2032 batteries, you know, the flat ones. As said, I recommend to do it while you are on service. And what will happen during the service is that they will bleed the brakes and check the brake disc and brake pads to make sure that they are right, and check as well the battery if everything is functional. So actually here in Norway the price of service is about three times less than a normal car, since there is not much to do. And there will be I think there is a little an update coming as well on the car, which is a system update that doesn't affect anything. So there is not much detail on that one, except that I think it's about the steering, but you won't feel it anyhow. But follow me in the next episode. I'll talk to you about the update, about the Colgate update. Bye bye.